The midday meal horror refuses to die down.
Well, at least 15 students fell ill in yet another case of food poisoning after consuming midday meal at a government school in Madhubani district.
Tragic shocker there. At least 16 kids have died yesterday after eating midday meals in Saran district, about 100 kilometers from Patna. 16 children between age of 4 and 8 years died, and 40 others fell ill after eating their midday meal at a primary school.
As the death toll rises, this family in Chhapra praying hard for their loved ones. 9 children from the same family were studying at that government school. 8 were in hospital. 1 has already died.
Violence having erupted. There are people who are vandalizing shops there. They're angry, and this anger is coming out in the form of protests which has spilled out on the streets of Chhapra. Disturbing visuals there coming in.
Children are the future of our nation, and taking care of their needs is our responsibility. There are lakhs of children who don't enjoy basic rights and face problems of malnutrition. This not only affects their health but also their academic quotient. Proper nourishment of this generation is a priority, and the midday meal scheme is a step forward in this direction. Started as a centrally sponsored initiative in 1995, it was fully implemented in all states in 2002. This program feeds 12 crore children in over 12.5 lakh schools. A pediatrician was consulted to gather the ideal constituents of a balanced diet for the children.
I am Dr. Archana Raina. I did my MBBS. It's been about for 35, more than 35 years that I've done my MBBS. But in pediatrics, I have been around for last 20 years. Balanced and nutritious diet is a diet which has all the major constituents of the food in adequate amount for that particular age. So it should have adequate proteins, it should have adequate carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. All of them are very essential for a balanced diet.
The ISKCON Food Relief Foundation is one of the many organizations working towards eliminating malnutrition. Hungry kids wait eagerly for the food to be delivered promptly at 11 every day. The relish on the kids' faces and the speed with which they tuck in speaks volumes for the food quality. Research has shown that the midday meal scheme food helps retain kids in school and improve overall life quality.
आपको खाना कैसा लगता है?
बड़े लगता है।
हर दिन क्या-क्या मिलता है? थोड़ा बताओ।
सोयाबीन,
खीर, दलिया, खिचड़ी, दाल चावल, कभी छोले चावल, कभी राजमा चावल.
And the variety they get is commendable.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है खाना, और खिचड़ी अच्छी लगती है. सारा खाना टाइम से आता है. यहाँ खिचड़ी मिलती है, खीर मिलती है, राजमा चावल, छोले चावल, सारा कुछ मिलता है यहाँ पे. यहाँ पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी होती है.
Minimum wage working parents are full of praise for the meal, for the quality, variety and ease that it provides.
अच्छे खाना मिलती हैं और मुझे बनाना नहीं पड़ता है, और तो आलू पूड़ी मिलती है, राजमा चावल मिलती है.
खाना अच्छा रहता है, बच्चों को है ज़मीन पे बैठा के खिलाया जाता है और प्लेट वगैरह वहीं से मिलता है खाने के लिए.
Midday meal is a very good concept. The children don't go to school for the purpose of learning. They go to school because they know that they will get one meal there, and that one meal means a lot to them. So this midday meal project has not only improved the health of the child, it tends to improve the educational level also of the child.
For all its merits, there is still a large scope for improvement in terms of infrastructure, hygiene protocols and inspection. But the scheme undoubtedly if implemented properly, has immense benefits and definitely brings a smile to the kids' faces.